Hello friends, welcome back to this new episode. And in this episode I will show you how to create a project on React. So guys, I'm using WSL on my Windows machine because sometimes my machine really become too slow, so I can run a React app. So that's why I'm going to use my Ubuntu machine on my Windows, using WSL. So first of all, I'm in a directory which is called as React. So here I'm going to run npx create react app and name this project as a shopping cart and click enter. So guys, it will take a few minutes, so I will fast forward this video. Alright friends, our project creation is completed, so let's go to the project directory and click on ls. So I think we have all that resources we are needed. So just let's open this project in code editor. So I'm using Visual Studio Code. So guys, if you don't have setup VS Code on your machine, so I will suggest you to do that. So friends, this is our basic project structure. We have source folder, and inside the source folder we have all that JS file, and here is the public folder. We have the logos and favicon here, and in source folder we have CSS file and JS file, and in package.json we have all that library here. So as by default installed react dom and scripts and web vitals. So guys, let's install few more packages we needed. First packages I'm going to install is React Bootstrap, so that you can see that we'll check a new dependency here. Okay, it's done. Our React Bootstrap has been installed successfully. Here you can see that we have React Bootstrap and we have Bootstrap 5.2.2. Okay, so now let's start this project and see how it's. Let's run this project. So for that we are going to run npm start. Okay. So here you can see the script npm start, so it will start the project. Okay, so this is our a very beginner level views or starting point from a React. So if you're going to create npx to create React app, so you will see this React logo and here's some direction. Okay, so guys, let's go back to our code editor. So here let's close this package.json and let's modify our data. So this is our index.js file where we are rendering our app component. So this is our app component. So in this app component, so these the things are rendering in our data table. So I'm going to clear all and just testing it. It's running properly. So you may notice that it changes dramatically. So at first, let's bring our bootstrap slash dist slash css and slash bootstrap.main.css. So here I'm bringing our bootstrap css class. So now our app is connected with bootstrap, so we can use bootstrap classes in our app. Okay, and we have logo.svg. We don't use. Okay, let's cut it and load our css file into our index.js file. So it will be in the root. Okay, and I think that's all for this now. Now let's go to our app.css file, what we have here. So we don't need our app.css file, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, I'm going to remove this css import from here. Now here we can write class name, text primary. So this is our bootstrap class. So check that text has been changed, text color has been changed. So that means our bootstrap is working perfectly. Now let's structure our project. So React is a component based structure. So I'm going to follow here. So first let's create a directory here which is components. So inside that components, we are going to put our all components. The source directory create another is which is pages. So actually here we are going to put our all pages required for this project. So inside the component directory I'm going to create another folder, so which is for header, and another folder call is footer. Okay, so inside the header I'm going to create a JS file which is topnumber.js and RAFC. So if you don't have that plugin, so it's a snippet, so just go to the extension history and here you can search react-redux snippet. So ES7 react-redux native snippet, so just enable this plugins for in your VS Code. Okay, so this is a stop number, and do the same for our footer.js, and here I'm going to RAFC, so footer. Okay, so and now we need our pages. So for that I'm going to create one pages which is home pages, home.js. So I can say RFC. So this is our home pages. Okay, so our home pages has been rendered here. Here import fragment from React. Here I'm going to bring my top navbar, okay, and then footer. Oh shit, so it should be footer. So come here and rename this. Okay, come back to our home page and import footer. Okay, so we have top number, footer, and home page. So in home page we have top number and footer. So now this is our app.js, so this page is right now here. So let's bring our home page here. Okay, our home page has been imported. So now if I goes back to a browser, you can see our top number and footer. Okay, and we don't have anything in our home page. So basically this is our basic setup here. So first of all I'm going to set up our top navbar. So for that I'm going to React Bootstrap, and here you can search Navbar. Yeah, so I'm going to copy this one, so just click on copy and go to top navbar, just paste it here, so Control V. So here you can see that we need to import our elements. So this is our React element, so just cut and then paste it here. So our Navbar element has been imported, and yeah, so this is our Navbar functionality. So if I goes back to a browser, and here you can see we have the Navbar. Okay, but in our project we have different kinds of Navbar. So let's go and edit this Navbar, dark, and it's expand large, and we say variant also dark. So now you can see we have a dark background here, and text is light, image auto, margin start auto. So you can check that the navbar goes to the right side, and from the drop down we have drop down classes here, and here we can say title categories 2 times. So first one is our product page, products, and second one is our contact page. Okay, so remove this from here and change our title to, okay, so our navigation bar is completed, and there is no feature. So this is our categories products. Right now we don't have products, So now let's work on our footer page. So here in the footer, so come here, so let's remove this item. So let's write fragment from React, and then a div element, and div dot class name, so text center, then class bg dark, then text white, and padding y-axis 2, and fixed bottom. Since my emmet node is working here, okay. So now you can see we have a dark bottom for a footer. Now let's write the snippet here. Span. So here we can take a link attribute. So https:/gettutorial.dev. So I can write here tutorial. And also we can set the target here. So it will target is blank, so it will open to a new windows. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for this. So format documents. So this is our footer has been formatted, so you can see our footer is here. Okay, so our header and footer part is done. So now we have this basic main section that is right now blank, so we will create this in next videos. I guess that's all for this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure that if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe and support this channel. Thank you so much, and see you in next video.